Hidden across online marketplaces, these forgotten classic cars are still out there, some running, some waiting to be revived. From vintage muscle to old American cruisers, here are 10 classic cars that might still have another life left in them. 1. 1969 Pontiac LeMans, $9,500, located in Marysville, Ohio. The 1969 Pontiac LeMans is a classic American muscle-era car that still holds a lot of potential for restoration. This example is described as a running project car that has been sitting off the road for many years. The car can move and stop on its own, although the seller recommends transporting it by trailer. Under the hood is a 1968 350 engine that currently runs well, while the original numbers-matching engine is also included in the sale, though it is seized. The body is said to be mostly solid, with significantly less rust than many Midwest cars of this age. The floors, trunk pans, frame, doors, and window channels are reportedly in good condition, making this a promising project for anyone looking to bring a late 60s Pontiac back to life. Two. 1977 Chevrolet Corvette, $7,800, located in Washington, North Carolina. This 1977 Chevrolet Corvette is a classic American sports car with relatively low mileage for its age, showing about 78,400 miles on the odometer. According to the seller, the car runs great and recently received a brand new exhaust system. It previously belonged to the seller's son, who has decided to sell it. The interior could benefit from some upholstery updates, and the windshield currently has a crack that will likely need replacement. One of the taillight covers also needs attention. Despite those minor issues, the Corvette appears to be a solid driver that could be enjoyed right away, while gradually improving its cosmetic details. Three. 1977 Chevrolet Impala, $6,000, located in Kenosha, Wisconsin. The 1977 Chevrolet Impala is known for its large size and comfortable ride, and this example seems to be a well-maintained classic sedan. It shows around 78,000 miles and features a remanufactured transmission that reportedly shifts smoothly. The car runs and drives without issues, and many of its original features still function properly, including the heating system, air conditioning, and all lights. The seller also mentions that the trunk still contains the factory jack and carpet. A rust-free replacement fender is included and simply needs paint matching. Overall, this Impala could be a dependable vintage cruiser for someone looking for a classic American full-size car. 4. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe, $10,000, located in Johnson City, Tennessee. The 1967 Chevrolet Camaro represents the very first generation of this legendary muscle car. This particular car is equipped with a 327 engine paired with a Powerglide automatic transmission. The seller states that both the engine and transmission are good, but the car will need a few mechanical components such as headers and fuel system work before it can run again. Several body panels have already been replaced, including a newer front clip and deck lid, although the hood is missing. Additional work is needed on the trunk pan, driver's door, and quarter panel, and the floor pans may require patching. Despite these needs, the seller believes the car could potentially be made drivable quickly with the right effort, making it an appealing project for classic muscle car enthusiasts. 5. 1967 Chevrolet Bel Air, $7,500, located in Ashland City, Tennessee. This 1967 Chevrolet Bel Air is another classic American cruiser that still runs and drives. It is equipped with a 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission and what the seller believes may be a 327 engine, although the engine numbers have not been verified. The car has already been upgraded with front power disc brakes, improving its stopping power compared to the original setup. While it remains functional, the interior will need some attention, including work on the carpet and headliner. The seller also mentions that replacement floor pans are included for the areas that need repair. With a clean title and a solid base, this Bel Air could be a rewarding restoration or weekend cruiser project. 6. 1974 Chevrolet Impala Limited 2-door, $9,500. Located in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. This 1974 Chevrolet Impala Limited is a full-size American classic that appears to be a running and driving cruiser. The car shows around 40,000 miles and is powered by a small block 400 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. According to the seller, the car runs very well and is capable of long drives without major issues. It has received some modifications, including a new exhaust system with turbo mufflers and an upgraded sound system with large speakers and a modern screen installed in the cabin. The vehicle is described as mechanically strong, though it could benefit from a new paint job and some minor bodywork. Overall, it seems to be a usable classic that could be improved over time while still being enjoyed on the road. Seven. 1970 Oldsmobile Toronado Coupe, $3,500. Located in Schnecksville, Pennsylvania. The 1970 Oldsmobile Toronado is a unique and distinctive American luxury coupe from the early 1970s. Known for its bold styling and front-wheel drive design, the Toronado was considered very advanced for its time. This particular example is being sold with a salvage certificate due to a previous abandonment case, which means it may require additional paperwork or restoration before returning to the road. The car reportedly features rare bucket seats with a center console and a floor shifter, which are desirable options among enthusiasts. With over 100,000 miles on the odometer, it is clearly a project vehicle, but its rarity and classic design could make it an interesting restoration candidate for collectors who appreciate unusual vintage cars. 8. 1977 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S Coupe, $4,500. Located in McDonough, Georgia. The 1977 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme was one of the most popular American coupes of the late 1970s. This particular car is equipped with a 350 engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission and is described as running and driving well. The seller states that several maintenance items have recently been replaced, including new tires, a fuel pump and sending unit, a radiator, and fresh tune-up components. Additional cosmetic touches include halo headlights and a recently completed oil change. Although the odometer shows over 230,000 miles, the car appears to have received steady upkeep. With a clean title in hand and several recent repairs completed, this Cutlass could serve as a usable vintage driver or a foundation for further restoration. 9. 1979 Chevrolet C1500 Bonanza Pickup, $7,000. Located near Collinwood, Tennessee. This 1979 Chevrolet C1500 Bonanza pickup truck has undergone several modifications over the years. Originally equipped with an inline-six engine, the truck now features a 350 V8 paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. The suspension has been lowered using drop spindles and rear axle modifications, giving the truck a more aggressive stance. Additional upgrades include new shocks, brake hoses, and a new brake master cylinder. The truck also rides on 20-inch Riddler wheels and has a custom exhaust system running from headers to dual two-chamber pipes. While the body does show some rust in certain panels, the seller describes the truck as generally straight and still very drivable. However, the carburetor may need adjustment or replacement, as the engine currently runs a bit rich. (10) 1979 Lincoln Versailles, $8,000. Located in Danville, Illinois. The 1979 Lincoln Versailles represents a luxury American sedan from the late 1970s, designed to combine comfort with upscale styling. This example has approximately 46,000 miles on the odometer and has reportedly been owned by the current seller since they were 17 years old. Over time, several mechanical components have been replaced, including the master cylinder, brake rotors, brake pads, and front suspension struts. The car is powered by a 305 V8 engine and has also received an upgraded Holley carburetor. While the vehicle is still running, the seller notes that it may require some additional work to return it fully to its former condition. Even so, with its relatively low mileage and classic luxury design, it could appeal to collectors interested in vintage Lincoln sedans. These were just a few classic cars still surviving in marketplace listings today. Some are ready to drive, others are waiting for restoration. Which one would you bring back to life?